Good morning, Year 9. Today we're up to, lesson 9, but to simplify algebraic fractions. So at the end of this, you should be able to say, I can simplify algebraic fractions by cancelling common factors, and also I can simplify algebraic fractions by factorising first and then cancelling common factors. Let's have a look at our theory. So algebraic fractions can be simplified by cancelling common factors. So let's have a look at examples in the first place. So simplify by cancelling common factors. We've got 7x on 21. We're looking for something that will go, in the first place for our numbers, something that will go into the top and the bottom. We can see that 7 will go into 21 3 times and into itself once. So we can simplify it to 1 on 3. If we look at our letters, we've only got an x on the top, we've got nothing on the bottom, so the x will stay on top and we'll have 3 on the bottom, x on 3. If we look at our next one, we've got 5x plus 2 times x minus 1 over x plus 2. So we can see, we recognise that those two are common factors. Anything divided by itself is 1, so we can cancel them out. If we cancel those two out, we have 5x minus 1 left. So it's a short theory today. Have a go at these first questions under question 4. Go through, find the factors which are the same and cancel them out. So over here we've got an x plus 1, x plus 1. We've got a x minus 9, and we've also got a 7. And so if it was this one, we'd end up with minus 1. Not sure why this pen's not letting me work. That would end up with minus 1 because those 7s would cancel out as well. Okay, let's have a look at the second chunk. Our second chunk is simplifying by factorising first. So what we're looking for is at each top bottom of the fraction whether we can whether there's a common factor or HCF in both the terms. Looking at our first one, we've got 2x plus 6. We recognise that 2 will go into the 2x and 2 will go into the 6. We can bring the 2 outside the bracket. Now that we've got it outside the bracket, we can see we've got a 2 on the top, a 2 on the bottom. They'll cancel out and we'll end up with x plus 3. Looking at our second one, minus 3x minus 9 on x plus 3. Looking at our top, we can see that we can take the negative 3 outside the bracket. If we take the negative 3 outside the bracket, we get x minus 3 times x is minus 3x, and we get plus 3 because minus 3 times plus 3 gets us back to plus 9. Now we've got x plus 3 divided by x plus 3. They cancel out and we end up with minus 1. So continue on after you've done that with looking at these fractions, see if you can simplify them by factorising them first. Thank you.